Hi cuties, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a gold / burgundy cut crease. I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going to dip my brush into the shade Hunt and then apply it onto the crease. Going in with a bigger blending brush, I'm going to use it to blend out the color. Now to go in with the shade Cream Cycle, we're going to apply just a little bit higher of where we have put the burnt burgundy. Now to go in with the shade Jax, we're going to be using this shade to make the look more defined or just to make it look darker. In with the LA Girl Pro Concealer and the Morphe M508, we're going to be using this to create our half cut creases. First, we're going to start off with the inner corner of our eyes, then we're going to shape the crease and then make our way out. Subculture palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, we're going to dip our brushes into the shade Electric. We're going to pat the color onto the crease while blending it out at the same time. Going back with the Jaclyn Hill palette, we're going to dip our brushes into the shade Jax. We are going to apply the shade Jax at the end of the crease and start blending it together. Some of the concealer that we used earlier, we're going to use it to clean up our makeup look. Going in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, she's going to prime her face. After applying the primer, I'm going to go in with the foundation of her skin color. Using a damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend everything out. Outlast CoverGirl concealer, I'm going to conceal her face. Now to go in with the Airspun loose powder, I'm going to bake her face. Guys, I really recommend this baking powder. This is my favorite baking powder of all time. After letting her face bake, I'm going to dust the loose powder off her face and I'm going to go in with my MAC blush. Now to go in with my favorite highlight and contour palette, the Morphe 8H, I'm going to go in with a bronzer and bronze her face. I'm going to be using the Mario Badescu facial spray as a setting spray. Going in with the Big Ben highlight from the Morphe 8H, I'm going to highlight her face. I'm going to be using the NYX Glitter Primer as a base for the glitter I'm going to be applying under her eyes. Going in with the shade Electric from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, I'm going to highlight her brow bone and the inner corner of her eyes. Okay guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and please stay tuned for more videos, of course.